Hey there, curious minds. Ready to unlock the secrets of our amazing world? Let's get started.
Gravity says things fall down, but water has a secret superpower that lets it climb up. It's called capillary action. Liquids flow in narrow spaces, even against gravity. It happens because of two forces fighting each other: adhesion, sticking to others, and cohesion, sticking to self. Adhesion is when water molecules stick to other surfaces, like glass. They grab the walls and pull themselves up. Cohesion is when water molecules stick to each other. As the leader climbs, it drags the whole team up with it. This tug-of-war creates a curve called a meniscus. Water curves up at the edges because it loves the glass more than the air. The rule is simple. The thinner the tube, the higher the climb. In a tiny tube, there is more wall for the water to grab onto. Plants are the masters of this. They use microscopic tubes called xylem to pull water from deep roots all the way to the high leaves. Ever use a paper towel? It's full of tiny fiber gaps. Water climbs up to soak it up. It works if it likes water, hydrophilic, but wax is hydrophobic, so water refuses to climb. Mercury is different. Its cohesion is stronger than its adhesion. It hates the glass, so it curves down, a convex meniscus. Your body uses it too. Tiny tubes in your eyes, tear ducts, use capillary action to drain tears away without needing a pump. It helps the ground stay wet. Water moves sideways and even up through the tiny spaces in soil to reach thirsty plant roots. Can it climb forever? No. Eventually, the weight of the water becomes too heavy, and gravity stops the climb. For tall trees, capillary isn't enough. They need transpiration. Evaporation pulls the water chain up. So remember, adhesion pulls it up the wall, and cohesion pulls the rest of the water along for the ride. From towering redwoods to your kitchen sponge, capillary action keeps the world flowing. Try the celery experiment at home.
If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to Tender Intellects for more such fun videos.